Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting tools in place. Install Xcode or the Swift CLI so you can compile and run immediately. Once done, create a playground for experiments or initialize a Swift package with Swift package init type executable. This gives you a folder structure. Make sure to add a main. Swift with a print, hello, world, line and run Swift run to verify the toolchain. This quick verification confirms compilation and runtime work before we build features. You now focus on the core. Use let for constants and var for variables, and handle optionals with guard or if letso crashes are avoided. Once comfortable, design models using structs for value semantics and classes when identity matters. Enums express finite states clearly. Make functions small and prefer protocols for flexible APIs. Protocol-oriented design reduces coupling. Practice by refactoring a small module into protocols and types. Then run tests. You complete the workflow by adding XC test cases and running Swift test. This catches regressions early. Once tests pass, package your code with Swift Package Manager, declare dependencies in package. Swift using semantic versioning, and run Swift build to produce artifacts. Make sure to debug tricky issues with breakpoints and LLDB and sprinkle targeted print statements for quick checks. If something breaks, first run Swift test to isolate failures, then bisect changes to find the commit that introduced the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.